Hello, my name is Adrian Danagher and I am the co-founder and managing director of Digital Rail Systems. I have 22 years experience in the rail industry and my duties have ranged from track engineer to managing director and everything in between. I spent 15 years working for Balfour Beatty Rail on various PWA and OLE projects, and in 2012 I left Balfour's and I set up GeoInfo Limited, a railway surveying business. I grew the business from a startup to a company that was turning over 3 million plus by year 7 and sold it in 2019. Whilst working at GeoInfo, we were often contracted to set out all the OLE structures on a particular project. This entailed receiving all the design information from the client and transferring it to site. When on site, the structure would be set out using coordinates. The structure details such as the structure number, recosts, chainage and allocation were written on the web of the rail with chalk. The information often weathered over time and the design changed, so we would have to return to site and reset out structures. This is where the Digital Rail Systems idea originated. The original concept for Digital Rail Systems was to simplify the life cycle of an OLE project from the setting out stage to the final handover. It has since evolved and is continually evolving based on feedback from various presentations and meetings I've attended, but the principles remain the same. We are creating a live link between the on-site asset and the associated documentation. A tag will be linked to its corresponding data at the setting out stage. Once set out and associated with a structure, the tag will affix to the rail magnetically. The civil engineers will scan the tag using their smart device and be linked via our app to the civil engineering design information for that structure. The mechanical engineers can scan the same tag and be linked to the steel design information, and the same applies for the wiring and electrical and power engineers. The same tag can be used for all disciplines from the initial design through to final client handover and by the client thereafter. It is also our proposal to digitise all data templates. We were asked by a Network Rail team in Scotland to carry out a cost comparison between the existing OLE data templates and our tags. The calculation was based on 36,000 structures, and as this is how many structures it will take to electrify 1,800 kilometres of tracks in Scotland, which is the plan between now and 2035. The results were a saving of £6.5 million, a reduction in plastic usage of 66%, and an increase in productivity of 75%. Based on feedback, we were also in the process of developing a number of additional applications. A tag can be affixed to an asset and associated to the maintenance records for that particular asset, such as a bridge, a weld, or any asset or line-side furniture. A tag can also be positioned at sign-in offices where health and safety briefings take place and linked to the latest safety bulletins, briefings and safe system of work information. It is also possible to link the tags to clients' existing software such as ProjectWise and Field 360. Our tags are extremely robust and can operate in harsh environments where temperatures range from -25 to +75 degrees. Please see our promotional video, which is attached. It will give you a good indication of how our system works on site. Thanks very much for listening. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Adrian Danagher. I'm the Managing Director and Co-founder of Digital Rail Systems.